I'm having, I don't know why it's an ad, but today, okay, finally. If you want to know, right now we have a lot of vaccines, just saying. First, we'll explain what the hell are these vaccines. So first comes the first Pfizer vaccine, which is really the first person to make vaccine. No, it's not. I'm not referring to the company. I mean the vaccine. Yeah, it is actually an mRNA, which I can tell you is the type of vaccines that inject genetic code to your cells, so they'll create spikes. They will trigger immune response, but they don't do the entire virus, so they won't actually get exposed. Here, you know. So here are the runs you can read. And see, first you're just given a section of the DNA to reproduce, and yeah, they get rid of them. So they make proteins that they recognize. Yes. They begin making immune response, and then as now, related to the infection, they know how to break the spikes, because basically COVID-19 without spikes cannot reproduce anymore. And anyway, the spikes are the exits for them for the for the how do I say this, mRNA, so they are just to leak out all the insides and die. Well, it could still keep happening, as the DNA might just go into a cell, but then they could just still kill it. It's like virus that causes COVID-19. Yeah, that's exactly it. Now we'll have the viral vectors vaccine. First, I needed to find what are all the vaccines. Here, it's all Malaysia vaccines. No, this is our about nearly 6,000. Wait, this is Malaysia's one. Around 400 billion vaccinated right now, as they should be. And about, I don't know, but there's so many more 1 doses than fully vaccinated. So let's just say most of the vaccines are actually viral vector vaccines. Pfizer and Moderna vaccines are the mRNA, a different virus. It's basically a modified amount of the virus that cannot really harm the body, but still looks like the virus does. God, this is pretty hard to explain, just saying. Vector, that's virus. Cause yeah, spike protein, so it produces a harmless cell, just gives right out the cell without invading the cell, but This one's more expensive. You need a use of so much. Wait, is this the same as the mRNA vaccine? Yeah. Okay, fine. The last one, you know it, the Sinovac vaccine is using inactivated viruses, which is basically inactivated vaccine. And trust, yeah. Now and then Q. So that means they just like wanted to rip off the virus basically. But even though you're dead, they can still recognize like doesn't belong there and rip the virus apart. So they know how to rip it apart like this one. Even though you still have symptoms because it still can do it as a DX, right? I mean, live vaccines can know how do they do and try to prevent or neutralize the effects. Let me just see. So, is the live COVID-19 vaccines? Oh. No, there isn't. Because you get, yeah. It's just slower. But yeah, this one is actually for the reason is to give you time to attack it and just not give it booster shot right after it, or else they just recognize it's the same virus. It takes a while for them to remember and store the memory before giving them a robust. Basically, thanks for saying. I'll also make a video about the phases of COVID-19 in the future. See you and bye. Subscribe.